Alright guys, today we're gonna be working on the daily, trying to fix some wiring issues with the windows that don't come down. I opened it up earlier. I guess the last owner tried to repin or depin the harness, but it doesn't work. Every time you plug it back in, it gets depinned. So to get to there, we gotta have to take off the side skirt, take off the fender, and get to it. I actually went to the junkyard a couple days ago, got 2 more clips. We're just gonna cut them, resolder it without depinning anything. So hopefully we'll see which one of these works the best. What happened? Some water, bro. How to tell? You want to take the CRV? Why? Why? Then where are you going to park the work? Remove the mud flap, then you remove the side skirt. Hey, kick the side skirt. Yeah, it doesn't have the clips on the bottom. Usually it has some clips on the bottom that you gotta remove, but this car didn't come with those clips. So, and then that exposes the 210 millimeters on the bottom. And you open the hood, and there's 3. Usually there's another screw or something that holds the bumper, but I took that off last time and didn't put it back on. Once we loosen up all the screws, we open the door, and that exposes another one right here. So let's loosen them up. Be right back. Alright, now that we got those screws out, just remove the fender. Just be careful, don't scratch anything. Just put it to the side. And now we have some spaghetti wiring that the old owner did. So every time, you know, like, some of these plugs are loose, they're not making all full contact, and I can take this off with one hand. Yeah, the clip is all messed up. If you just pull on it, you see, like, now these just come off like that. That's not good. That's not making any contact. So hopefully we should be able to fix that today. so I have the other plug. This is like one of the cleanest plugs I have. This plug is actually clean. Most common issues with these cars where the windows don't work is one of the wires here ends up getting cut and doesn't have connection. So this harness is good. So all we're pretty much just gonna do is cut this spaghetti thing off, and then we're just gonna color code each wire back onto the stock harness on the car. I ended up cutting this other harness over here, and as you can tell, like once you move this back, boom, there's your problem. The cable start to cut. There's like a pick it up, but it starts to like peel up and they start to break. So I'm not gonna end up using this, but I'll just keep it around just in case. So let's start cutting. Alright, now that we peeled all these wires, we gotta trace them in the harness, because there are multiple blue ones, multiple like blue and black and yellow and red or whatever. So we gotta make sure we actually pin them onto the right one. I know some of these came out already, but these are actually like single ones, so these shouldn't really matter. Alright guys, we managed to color code everything. There was one cable that this clip didn't come with, was this white and red. So we just depinned the stock clip, or the stock thing that was in the clip, added this one on there, and we actually got the windows to work. As you can see, they all went down except the passenger one. It looks like if you could hear it, it wants to go down, but there's something avoiding it from it going down. You can actually see that also my mirror fixed the problem. It goes left, up, down like a normal mirror should do that now. But the windows seem to have like a power loss. You see they go down pretty kind of slow, probably from not being in use. We're just gonna add some of this silicone lubricant for the windows. You pretty much just spray it in here and down for the windows to go up and down a lot more smoother. We're gonna be taking off that door panel over there, just checking to make sure what is causing the window not to go down. You just gotta bring it up a couple times, up and down, and let the lubricant work. What you think it is over here? It just goes up, but it doesn't come down. Try to maybe is no, I think it might be the switch. All right guys, so we found out that door probably has a broken wire like on the same side as this, because we jumped the harness on the door and it actually went down, but it popped the fuse. We just replaced the fuse and it went back up. So that'll be another day for another project where we can probably fix the broken wire on that door to have all three windows to go down. just gonna have to wrap it up. Rain's coming a little bit over here, and we gotta get out to work. We'll be just right back once we put all this together. A couple minutes. Now we just gotta put the fender back on. We got that kind of sorted out. We had no time to solder it, but we'll get to that pretty soon. Just make sure everything. No, hold on. We gotta make sure this little thing goes in there. Oh. Okay. Put in all the little tines on wherever they go.
Do one black.
I have another one.
Se fue negra la pantalla.
It's fine. It's still recording.
Oh, really? I didn't know. Oh. This all need to be right.
It's gonna be on YouTube there. That's GoPro went by.
Blood lives matter.
Stupid right now, bro. Single cam lives matter, bro.
Bring back the single cams.
Save the single cams. Oh, it didn't hit.
Did it?
No. Try closing it and make sure the gaps are good, because with these cars are notorious open and Oregon. All right, everything's good. It didn't hit. Tighten up everything. Then we're going to install the side skirt, and then the recording, right?
Yeah.
All right, so then you just pretty much grab your side skirt, put in this clip on the side skirt, line it up, just bang it right in. Now we'll put on the muffler that was here somewhere. Right. Oh. Alright, now we got one here. Just gotta figure out the other one. Where it's gonna grab. Should go right there. It should have a third one, but it didn't come with it. Probably once we go for another junkyard run, we'll probably just grab this screw. Other than that, she's put back together. Alright guys, she's put back together. Gotta wrap it up, clean up everything. Gotta get to work. Windows work, except for that one. Fix that in a bit. But hopefully in the next video, we should be able to be installing these headlights with a projector. Probably clean them up. They're kind of beat up. Got them for a cheap price. So it'll be next up on the channel, guys. Likes and subscribes.